you got a notice in the mail and you got jury duty, your heart sinks because you've got work that day, you've got kids to take to daycare. Life, you have life, and they want you to come do jury duty. They're going to pay you not that much money, and it really stinks. I understand. I've had jury duty twice in the past year. I know those feelings. They are natural. But let me tell you something. Jury duty is one of the most important things that you can ever do. I know people get tired of hearing lawyers tell you this, right? But let me just kind of paint a picture for you, right? The government is on one side and there's a person on the other side, right? And the government has falsely accused this person of a crime. And the only person that can prevent this, or the only people that can prevent this falsely accused person from going to prison, are members of that jury that are picked and selected. And if the state's got the wrong guy, or if the guy is charged with something where he's defending himself, or maybe the state just can't prove it, the risk, the danger of someone going to prison for something they didn't do can only be stopped in so many cases by a juror. And if people don't show up to jury duty and they don't come and they don't answer the questions truthfully and they try to get out of it, you're doing your citizens, your fellow citizens, a disservice. And I tell people this all the time. If you were falsely accused of a crime, would you want people trying to get out of jury duty, or would you want them to show up, answer the questions honestly, and if they're the best jurors, serve on that jury? Because you don't think it'll be you falsely accused. No one ever does. No one's ever come to my office falsely accused of a crime and been like, man, I always knew I was going to be falsely accused of something. They say, I never thought it'd be me. I thought this was just on TV. I thought this was just on podcast. But if you were falsely accused, would you want to know that the guy that lives around the corner from you was trying to get out of jury duty because it wasn't convenient for him, and you're facing 20, 40, 60, 80 life in prison? No. Jury duty is so important. It might be your chance to save someone's life. Don't pass it up.